You are now tuned in with Trophy. Go Trophy. We can let crack jokes be open. Go Trophy. Only with Trophy.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I have another wig review from UNicehair. I'm showing you guys all of the goodies that they sent over in the package, and they actually sent me some little earrings. So this is the wig that we will be putting on today. This is a honey blonde pre-cut closure wig, and it has the air cap, so it is very breathable, and I like this wig because it is very easy to wear and go. This wig has 2 clips on the side, a clip in the back, and an adjustable elastic band. If you're a beginner, you don't have to worry about plucking, you don't have to worry about bleaching or anything like that. I didn't do any of that to this wig, so I'm just trying it straight on, literally right out of the package, so you guys can see what it looks like. This is body wave hair, so that's what the waves look like out of the package. And as you can see, the lace didn't match my skin tone, so of course, as usual, I'm going in with my lace tinting spray so it can match. This wig does have an elastic band, so I'm just tightening the elastic band on the wig, and then I am just going to plop it back on. Okay, so now the lace looks a whole lot better, so we're going to start styling this wig. So I'm just adding my wax stick, and then I'm using my hot comb to flatten the hair and straighten it at the roots a little bit. Then I'm going to create some layers in the front, just small layers, not too much, so that it can frame my face. And now if you want to stop right here, you could be done and, just wear your hair like this, but I want my body wave hair to, body wave more. So I'm gonna go and create my own waves by using my one curler all around. I just want my hair going back on both sides, and then you guys will see how that creates these beautiful voluminous body wave curls. Okay, y'all, my hair is all done. Now I'm gonna go in with my powder brush because I want the waves to be kind of like soft type of body wave, you know, just like the original hair texture, just a little bit more. So this is what it looks like after I brush it out and everything, and I'm just running my fingers through it so you guys can see. I love the color on this unit. It's really pretty. I love the highlights. So yeah, like I said, this is a super easy wear and go wig, and the cap is very breathable. It's perfect for the summertime. It's pre-cut lace, so you really don't have to do anything. I didn't do anything to it but what you guys saw in the video, because I literally put this wig on straight out the package, so it didn't take much work at all. So I'm just showing you guys the views, what it looks like from the back, from the side, all of that good stuff. And then, like I said, this is a completely glueless unit, so I'm going to put my comb under the lace so you guys can see that there is absolutely no glue. And I did want to yeah, and then I'm gonna lift it up, you see it's no glue, but I did want to take it all off just to show you how fast you can put this wig on. Like, it's super easy, 5-second install. So if you're interested in this wig or any other wig from UNicehair, all the links will be down below in the description. Thanks for watching.